Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good hummus. Achieving truly delicious, creamy hummus begins with the right chickpeas. For the best results, always opt for dried chickpeas over canned. You'll want to soak them overnight in water with about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then, cook them until they are incredibly tender, almost mushy, which is crucial for that smooth consistency. Next, let's focus on the tahini. Using a good quality, light-colored tahini is essential for a rich, nutty flavor without bitterness. Combine your tahini with fresh lemon juice and a few tablespoons of cold water in your food processor. Blend this mixture for about 1 minute until it becomes light, fluffy, and beautifully emulsified. This step is key to achieving that signature creamy texture. Now, it's time to combine everything. Add your perfectly cooked, very soft chickpeas to the tahini and lemon mixture in the food processor. For an incredibly smooth and airy texture, toss in 1 or 2 ice cubes or a splash of ice water. Blend the mixture for several minutes, pausing to scrape down the sides until it reaches a wonderfully creamy and uniform consistency. Finally, let's perfect the flavor and presentation. Season your freshly blended hummus with a generous pinch of salt, 1 or 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. Taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking. Transfer your creamy hummus to a shallow bowl, create a swirl, and finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and perhaps some paprika or fresh parsley. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.